Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best golf cart windshield on the market. The Clear Club Car Precedent Golf Cart Windshield by Golf Cart King. This windshield is designed specifically for Club Car Precedent models from 2004 onwards. Made from durable acrylic, it promises both clarity and resilience, making it ideal for golfers looking to enhance their driving experience. Let's talk about why this windshield stands out. First off, it's incredibly easy to install. You get all the necessary parts for a bolt-on installation, meaning no fuss or hassle. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a first-time installer, this windshield won't give you a hard time. The folding feature adds versatility. When you're on the move or storing your cart, simply fold it down without any tools required. Convenience at its finest. Now, let's address durability. This windshield is crafted from 3x16 thick acrylic, which not only ensures longevity but also provides excellent protection from wind, rain, and debris. It's designed to endure the elements, giving you peace of mind during your golf outings. Speaking of peace of mind, many users rave about the clarity it offers. The clear acrylic material provides a distortion-free view, crucial for maintaining visibility on the course. Whether you're cruising down fairways or navigating through tricky terrain, you'll appreciate the unobstructed view this windshield provides. Now, let's quickly compare this with other windshields in the market. While there are several options out there, the Clear Club Car Precedent windshield stands out for its combination of quality, ease of installation, and value for money. Maintenance is another key consideration. Thankfully, keeping this windshield clean is a breeze, no pun intended. A simple wipe down with mild soap and water will keep it looking crystal clear, ensuring you have a consistently great driving experience. Wrapping up, if you're in the market for a reliable, durable, and easy-to-install windshield for your club car Precedent, the Clear Golf Cart King windshield is a top contender. It ticks all the boxes for functionality and performance, backed by positive user feedback and a solid reputation in the golf cart community. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more product critiques, and leave any questions or comments down below. Until next time, happy golfing!